Hi there guys and girls, good evening. Welcome to my day 5 of not eating meat. Be the first one to taste, be the first one to bite. Come on, don't be shy. Open your mouth. Love it? Love it. This is for you. Ah. Mm. Mm. Day 5. With respect to our Supreme Being, where he suffered under Pontius Pilate, died on the cross to save our sins. Okay? To save us from sins. Day 5. But for now, you can do it. It's just a matter of 45 days. Okay?